Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Statline. Today I'm going to show you how you can have crazy edits on your photo for free. Type photo mosh, then hit mosh light. Load the file you want to edit. This is the file I want to edit. Now click mosh. You can see mosh gave me this weird effect and I'll keep hitting mosh until I'm satisfied with the result. You can just keep on going until you stop at some point which you feel this might work. So this is a crazy 2001 edit. So I'll go with this one, but on the right side you can see they have the modules and you can manually click or unclick or increase or decrease the amount of it. So for example, if I uncheck this, you can see the result it has on the photo. So I'll just add a bit of bad TV effect and then I'll hit save. Let's see. So this is the result. I think it's not bad and I think it is unique and it is completely free. So you can check. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.